Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. Here we are on February 23rd. Have a different job again today. We're going to be lifting this carpet in this hallway and 3 of the stairs and removing the squeaks from the subfloor. So I'll get to it, lift the carpet, and show you a little bit more how we do this. Okay, so here we are back in the hall. You can see I've lifted the carpet and the underlay in half the hall. And just kind of rolled it to there, the carpet. And now we will start putting screws in between the nails. And you can probably see that these nails are already proud from the floor, because as you walk on the floor it causes the floor to flex and the nails to come up. Anyway, show you more soon. Okay, here we go with the floor. I put in a lot of screws. You can see them all the way along, and this has completely got rid of all the squeaking. I pounded in all the nails that were protruding from the floor. So now we'll move on to the other section of the hall, and there's 3 stairs down there. Okay, here we are. The hall is finished. I've laid the underlay back down and the squeaks are gone. And we did extend a little bit further into this bedroom. So if I zoom in here, you can see that we put in quite a few screws. The nails were about 8 inches separated, and we put in about 2 screws between every nail, and we pound the nails back down as well. So this is finished. All that's left now is to reinstall the underlay, and install the carpet, and we can move to the next step. Okay, here's the hall. It's been reinstalled. The seam is done, the door is on, and the hallway is complete. And that concludes our fixing a squeaky floor.